Alright, I'm along the Ohio River multi-detecting. I started digging this, but I thought I better film it. It's a pretty good signal. It's hard to tell what this is. Here we go, I'll show you. It's got good high readings, so I'll try to do it here live. I think it's right in here someplace. It's hard to tell what it is. Could be junk, but you know, you have to dig a lot of signals before you get something good, usually. Huh. That's good. That's clear down in the bottom of the hole. This is what I'm down to on this. I gotta dig stuff like this because I'm along the river. It's hard to tell what it is. But look, that's a big piece of iron, I think. I'm trying to pry it out of there. I'm gonna have to turn this off, but it's something. I'll show you when I get it out later. Alright folks, well this is what that metal piece was in the hole. It was down in an angle, and I was picking up this in relic mode. I switched it back between coin and relic mode. I'm gonna have to go back over the hole, but I'm by one of the first dams in the Ohio River, one of the wood plank ones, right by it. I'm right on the highest point where that wood plank dam was at. I'm metal detecting. I thought I might find some old coins, and I thought this was a wrench when I pulled it out, but it's a relic from one of the first dams on the Ohio. Alright, I'm back. I knocked a little bit of the crud off this. This definitely got a welded on handle, like a forged on handle. Man, it's really heavy. You can see it's in nice shape. I'd say it's river dam related, the way it's made. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not gonna act like I do, but where I found it is where one of the old plank dams went across the river, and it was right where there would have been people working on it, so it's probably something related to that. And it would have been early 1900s, so would have been over 100-year-old tool. I love it. Whatever it is, I'll research it and see. If you know what it is, put it in the comments. I'd say it weighs at least as much as a 25-pound Olympic plate. Maybe 30 pounds. It's heavy. You can see it there. It's a cool find. I'd say that it's river bait, so I'll probably paint it up or something, clean it up real good. We'll see. Later.